Hello guys, so today guys we have another Fujifilm camera to unbox. In today's vlog we have the Fujifilm XT30 Mark II. And guys, the Fujifilm XT30 Mark II with a kit lens of 1855 2.8 f4. Yan, let's start unbox and check the camera guys. Yan. At compare natin with the XT30, the first version for the specs. Kasi wala tayong stock. Again guys, let's start now. Okay. This is the box of XT30 Mark II. Yeah, you have your manuals here. Okay. For the first box ito tayo. I think this is the lens and the accessories. Of course. Yan. Another manuals and the lens, strap, and the battery and the USB for charging. So I think you will charge by in camera. So from camera, battery, then charge from USB and connector. Of course, your lens here, the 1855 kit lens with the hood. So there's nothing else there. Out here is only the strap, the battery W126 and the USB. So yan, balik natin dito. Okay. Next is the body of the camera. First, and lang. Tapos wala na guys. It's no more. Only the body, the lens, and the accessories, which is W26. And yeah. So this is the camera guys, the Fujifilm XT30 Mark II. Actually guys, it's almost similar with the Mark I. The only difference is the frames per second, which is already 30 frames per second versus the 20 frames per second of the Mark I. And of course, the LCD screen, LCD resolution is already 1.6 dot compared for 1.040 dot of the Mark I. So, and guys, this is the Fujifilm XT30 Mark II. Actually, there's no sign here that is Mark II or Mark I. And just written X30. Then ayan, wala na siyang it's Mark I. But here the guys, down, ayan, XT30 Mark II. Yan, it's written here, it's XT30 Mark II. And so, yun na lang pagkakaiba niya. So, actually, similar body with the Mark I. But again, the only difference in specs is the frames per second, which is 30 frames per second over the 20 frames per second for photo, course mode. So, if you are more sports photography, one of the best option to purchase guys. Again, the XT30 Mark II. So yeah. And again guys, so yun. If you are thinking to buy the XT30 Mark II over the XT30 Mark I or the first version, or if you have already the Mark I, the first version, I don't think it's a good idea to upgrade to the Mark II for only 30 frames per second. I don't think it's a good idea. But again, if still you don't have, and if you are thinking to buy the Mark I, then I think if you have extra cash, then you can go to Mark II. But I don't know how much the price difference between the Mark I and the Mark II. But I think it's almost same price. So, ayan. Again, if you are looking for a small APS-C, again, it's 26 megapixel camera. It's almost same with the Mark I again. So, all the specs is already similar with the Mark I. So, yan. Nandito na lang guys. Again, if you want to check the camera, we have already available in AAB World guys. So if you want to check the camera, you can visit us here in Symphony Showroom, or if you want to check or purchase online, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, flex naman to flex my team is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin, the members and Team Positive. Ang ating PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy of W, si Brian Puntanar, si Julius na nasa likod ng camera natin for today. Thank you, Joe. At syempre, si Audrey na nakabakasyon. So, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.